So, according to the video, what you'll need for this TikTok hack is a ladle, an egg, some oil, and a brushy brush that you'll be using to brush the oil on the ladle. Apparently this is all it takes for a perfect poached egg the easy way. Let's do this. Or let's try this. So here I have some boiling water that's currently on a medium fire, and according to the video you just take your ladle, put some olive oil in there. I think I put in a bit too much. Take your brush, brush everything to the sides so that the whole ladle is covered in oil. I'm just gonna remove the excess. There you go. Then you put your egg into your ladle. I have already pre-cracked mine, and you just lower it into the boiling water, and now you just basically wait until the egg is almost cooked, and then you let it go into the water. 1 eternity later. Seems like a lot of work for just one egg. I'm already bored. Because you have to keep the ladle like steady. Don't submerge it too much so that the water doesn't come in, and don't take it out too much so that the egg keeps cooking. So yeah, we're kind of stuck in this poaching egg limbo. I'm trying to watch the egg, but my mind drifts because it's quite boring, dude. I'm already standing here like, I don't know, it feels like an eternity. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna submerge it. It won't get out of the ladle. Let me grab a spoon. Okay. It's going. It got stuck a little bit, but now it's out. Okay, I don't want to cook it too much. I think that's enough. I'm gonna just take it out already because I don't want to overcook it. All right, now at the moment of truth. Let's test it. Here we are. This is our so-called perfectly poached egg. As you can see, it's pretty damn well shaped, but I did have trouble taking it out of the ladle. As you can see, it cooked a little bit through the ladle itself, which isn't that great. Maybe I didn't use enough oil, but now the moment of truth. Let's cut it. Oh It appears to be pretty good. It looks like a damn good poached egg to me.